Okay, now that I have created both of my soles, I'm going to grab my next color of yarn and we're going to join them together by slip stitching. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to flip one side over so that the wrong side, they are going to be facing each other, the wrong sides together. So the right sides are going to be on the outside. I'm going to follow my center line down here to where we placed our invisible finish, and that's where I'm going to insert my hook on both. Okay. Going under both loops on each sole, I'm going to grab my yarn and carefully pull it through. I'm going to go into the very next stitch on each sole, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through the loop that is on my hook. And I'm going to continue doing this all the way around. So go into the next stitch on each sole under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through the loop that's on your hook. We'll do a couple more together. Go under both loops, the next one on the other sole directly underneath, both loops on each, grab the yarn, pull it through, and then pull it through the loop that's on your hook. And that creates a really pretty slip stitch. Okay, so you just continue going all the way around until you reach back here. So if you want to pause the video, I'm going to continue going all the way around my sole, and I'll meet you back as soon as I reach the end. Okay, and welcome back. Now that I have created my last slip stitch, I'm just going to pull it out just a hair, cut my yarn, pull this through. I'm going to grab my yarn needle and I'm just going to go down the same stitch right there. Now I will tie off and weave in the ends. I love the thickness of that. If you found this video helpful, share with your crochet buddies. And as always, happy crocheting.